This is topic 17, lesson 3 notes, triangles with missing angles. So first we need to know what makes a triangle a triangle. Now you may think, I know what a triangle is, but let's break down the three things that a triangle must meet in order for it to actually be a triangle. Okay, so first things first, to be a shape at all, it needs to be closed, to be a polygon. Okay, so to be a polygon, it must be closed. That means it's got no openings in it. Secondly, it must have exactly 3 sides. To be a triangle, you have to have 3 sides. And then finally, it has to have exactly 3 angles that have a sum of 180 degrees, which means if I add up the measure of all 3 angles, I get a total of 180 degrees. Once it's met all 3 of those criteria, we know for sure that it is a triangle. So knowing these things about a triangle, we can use that information to find missing information. For example, in the triangle below, we can use our knowledge that a triangle has 3 angles that equal 180 degrees total to find the missing angle. So I know angle A plus angle B plus angle C has to equal 180. Well, let's plug in the information I know. I know A is 100 degrees. I don't know angle B. And I know angle C is 55 degrees. Okay, and all together that equals 180 degrees. Well, just like we always have, let's combine our like terms. So I can combine my 100 and my 55, which is 155 degrees, plus angle B, which we don't know yet, is 180 degrees total. Well, what do I do from here? This is just a one-step equation. Subtract 155 from both sides. On the left side, they cancel out, leaving you with angle B all by itself. And then on the right side, we just do our subtraction. So can't do 0 minus 5, got to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So angle B has to be 25 degrees. Okay, so again, just using that knowledge we have about what makes a triangle, we can use it to find missing information. So take a moment, try to do example number 2 on your own, and then check with the video to see how you did. All right, well, hopefully you were able to figure this out and know that you can just add those 2 angles together and then subtract that from 180. You could also just go the route of doing 180 minus 36, get that answer, and then subtract 57. Kind of several ways to do this one. One thing of note is that in our little equation we wrote here that I have for 36 plus 57 plus A, these can be written in any order. It does not have to be exactly in the same order that I have here. You could have 36 plus A plus 57, A plus 30, whatever it might be. You can change those order because we're just adding. All right, use these skills and go try out the practice. Good luck.